Unleash your inner beast, HIIT workouts and diet for unstoppable endurance. Picture this. You're in the middle of a grueling workout. Sweat dripping from your brow. Muscles screaming for mercy. And you're just about ready to throw in the towel. But then, something incredible happens. Your body finds a hidden reserve of energy. Your mind locks onto your goal. And suddenly, you're pushing through barriers you never thought possible. Welcome to the world of endurance, my friend. And today, we're going to help you unleash your inner beast with effective HIIT workouts and diet tips. Endurance is the ability to sustain prolonged periods of physical activity. And it's a vital component of overall fitness. Whether you're training for a marathon or just trying to keep up with your kids, building endurance can help you perform at your best and reduce the risk of injury. One of the most effective ways to boost endurance is through high-intensity interval training, HIIT, which alternates between short bursts of intense exercise and periods of rest. Pairing HIIT with a nutritious diet can supercharge your results. And that's precisely what we'll be exploring in this video. Let's dive into the world of HIIT workouts. These intense, time-efficient sessions are perfect for busy individuals looking to improve their endurance and overall fitness. The beauty of HIIT lies in its versatility. You can tailor your HIIT workout to target specific muscles, improve cardiovascular fitness, or even enhance your sports performance. Some popular HIIT exercises include sprints, jump squats, burpees, and mountain climbers. The key is to perform each exercise at maximum effort for a short period, followed by a brief recovery period. For example, try this simple HIIT workout to kickstart your endurance journey. Warm up with a 5-minute jog. Then perform 30 seconds of all-out sprinting, followed by 30 seconds of walking or jogging. Repeat this cycle for a total of 10 rounds. And then cool down with a 5-minute jog. As your endurance improves, you can increase the intensity of the exercises or the duration of the workout. Now, let's talk about diet. The saying, "You are what you eat," holds true, especially when it comes to endurance training. Your body needs the right fuel to perform at its best. And that means consuming a balanced mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy during exercise. So it's crucial to include high-quality carbs in your diet, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Aim for a daily intake of 35 grams of carbohydrates per pound of body weight. Depending on your activity level, protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. And it's especially important after a challenging HIIT workout. Focus on lean protein sources like chicken, turkey, fish, tofu, and legumes. A general guideline is to consume 0.58 grams of protein per pound of body weight daily. Don't forget about healthy fats, which provide long-lasting energy and support overall health. Include sources of unsaturated fats in your diet, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. As a general rule, aim for a daily intake of 0.34 grams of fat per pound of body weight. Hydration is another critical factor in endurance training. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. And consider incorporating electrolyte sports drinks during your workouts to replenish lost minerals. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to building endurance. Stick to your HIIT workouts and maintain a balanced diet, and you'll begin to see improvements in your stamina and overall fitness. And hey, if you're enjoying this content and want more expert guidance on endurance, be sure to subscribe to our channel and join our fitness community. In conclusion, The secret to unlocking your endurance potential lies in a combination of effective HIIT workouts and a well-balanced diet. By incorporating these strategies into your fitness routine, you'll be well on your way to unleashing your inner beast and conquering your endurance goals. So, what are you waiting for? Lace up those sneakers, fuel up with a nutritious meal, and let's get to work.